Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Just Sophia. So guys, if you have been following me for some time, you have watched me talk about how to start a blog, how to make money blogging, the different ways to make money using your blog. I have even gone as far as showing you my earnings from different platforms. I've shown you my Amazon earnings. I've also shown you the earnings from ads. And probably you are out there and at this point you're ready to dig in. You're ready to start your blog. You're ready to start your blogging journey and you're wondering what you're going to write about. This video is for you if you are that kind of a person. We are going to talk about how to choose a blogging niche. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and these kinds of topics excite you, please do so by clicking the red button, click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Yeah? So let's get into the now, the purpose of starting a blog is to share your thoughts. Now you might think, if that is the reason why you are starting a blog, then why would you want to choose something specific to blog about? Because now, why don't you just share your thoughts randomly as they come? The problem is that it is hard to create an audience. Creating blogging in a particular niche makes people trust you, so that when someone comes to your blog, they know why they are coming there. They know why they are following you. So that way you are able to create a fan base, something of the sort. So while you can blog about anything as you go by, maybe today you wake up and talk about your breakfast, tomorrow you talk about your weight loss journey, the next day you talk about how to take care of your home and blah blah. If you want to monetize your blog, then you should definitely think of blogging in a specific niche. So now that we have that out of the way, now let us get into the video. First and foremost, I would want to tell you, just give you a brief idea of how to come up with a topic, a blogging topic, which is also called a niche. The first thing, by the way, it is not hard. It is not hard. You just need to first look at your surrounding. For example, where I'm seated right now, I can decide to talk about how to take care of these beautiful trees. I can also decide to talk about the decor for this place. I can also decide to talk about outdoor tiles. I can also decide to talk about outdoor tiles and so many other things. So if you are in the house, you can think about your living room. You can also think about your kitchen. You can think about your bedroom. You can think about your bathroom. You can also look around and see the things that you own, whether it is electronics, whether it is clothes, anything. So now you can come up with a topic regarding the things that you own. So when you look around, you can maybe get an idea of what you want to blog about. So another thing is your life, your daily life. You look into your daily life. What you do on a daily basis is something that you can also write about. If you are a mother, you can write about motherhood. For me, by the way, when I started writing, when I knew that I was going to write as a profession, I knew definitely that I was going to write about fitness because it is something that I am so passionate about. So definitely I was going to write about that, but now I changed my mind because I realized that it was so competitive. So that is how I decided to start writing about motherhood, which is also something that comes naturally for me. The advantage of choosing something that you are passionate about is that you will blog about it for years to come. Yeah, so that is number 2. Number 3, the blogs you read. Definitely you can always borrow an idea from what other people are doing. You're not going to invent something, of course, you can only make something better, something that is already being done. So whatever you are reading on the internet, it can also help you to come up with an idea of a niche. Also from magazines, articles. You can also read magazines and articles and also decide to come up with something. And then shopping sites like Amazon, eBay. Yeah, because now definitely when you want to monetize your blogs, if you decide to monetize through affiliate marketing, when you look at these sites, they will give you an idea of the kind of products that you want to talk about, popular products that you would want to talk about. So that is how you can troubleshoot to come up with an idea of what you want to blog about. So now we are going to now talk about how to now narrow down and now come up with the niche. Okay, so we have already said that you should pick a topic that you enjoy writing. So let's say you enjoy going to the gym or you enjoy exercise like myself. You can decide to blog about fitness. You can also decide to blog about weight loss. So let's say we have chosen weight loss as our topic as our niche. Now, number 2, you're supposed to do some research. So research in this case should be able to tell you the competition first and foremost, because now if you go for a niche that is very competitive and already the giants are already ranking in the first page of Google, it will be very hard for you to rank. So there is just no need. For instance, if you are doing a news blog and you are competing with New York Times, honestly speaking, there is no way you can outrank them. So that is number 1. So the research should help you know if you are the niche that you are planning to start blogging in, how much competition, who are your competitors and all that. Also, so to do that, you can always search. For example, now I've given the example of weight loss. So now that we have, I'm thinking of taking weight loss as my blogging niche. So I go to Google Trends. Google Trends should be able to tell me if that topic is being searched, how much are people searching for it, and it should give me an idea. Yeah, it should give me an idea if it is something that people are looking for, it is something that is growing or declining. Definitely you can't go for something that is always on the downward move. You always have to go for one that is appreciating all the time. So now after that, now we are still taking weight loss as our niche. So you're supposed now to go and look for specific keywords. What will help you here are keyword research tools. One of them is a Keyword Finder. We also have Ahrefs. So now these tools will help you when you go and key in weight loss. Yes, they'll be able to give you the search volume. Actually, before that, you can also go to Google, just Google and then type weight loss. You'll be able to see the search results for weight loss. If there are too many, like if there are too many sites in billions or millions of sites that are already ranking for that keyword, you better just leave it alone. So when you go to these keyword research tools like Keyword Finder, you'll be able to key in the keyword weight loss, then search. It will be able to tell you the search results. It will give you the volume. If it is difficult to rank for, or if it is easy to rank for, they will always tell you. If it is difficult to rank for, you can always niche down. Actually, that is our point number 3. Niche down. Niche down means that you will also be able to be given related keywords, what we call related keywords. So yes, you are still sticking with weight loss, but now you can also go down to weight loss recipes, weight loss foods. You can also weight loss for women, weight loss for men, etc., etc. So niching down means you are now removing yourself from the higher competition. Now you are coming down a bit. So again, you'll if you have decided now to go with weight loss for women, you simply key in weight loss for women. Also check the how difficult the keyword is, and then how much people are searching for it. So you'll keep doing that until you come down to your specific niche. I hope we are together until there. If you're loving this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please remember to subscribe. Yeah. So that is number 3. Number 4, and the last point, make sure that it is profitable. For anyone else out there and me, we want to start a blog and earn from it. Yeah, there's a few people who just want to share their lives and their experiences, but now I am not one of them. I need money. I need money. So if you are blogging for profit, make sure that whatever you are choosing is profitable. You can do this by visiting your competitors, people who are in the same niche. Visit their websites, check them out and see what kind of monetization tactics they are using, whether it is ads. If they are selling their own products, you'll be able to see what kind of products they are selling. If they are doing affiliate marketing, you'll be able to see the kinds of products they are linking to. Yeah, so make sure that you check on that. Make sure that whatever you are writing about has some products that you can sell. Or if you are planning to monetize through ads, make sure that it is ad friendly. So after that, then I think that's it. Then you can start now creating your own keywords, and start writing. I think that's all. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope now this video has directed you towards the right direction. If you are wondering what niche you can write in, you can start a blogging. We will continue talking about blogging, so please stick around. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider clicking that red button. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.